Hi everyone, it's Ange from Teach Fun Oz. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to use the Digital Express plugin for PowerPoint, which is really handy to really quickly add a whole heap of PNG files to your document rather than doing them individually. So I'll firstly show you that. And I'm also going to show you how to set up different sections in your PowerPoint. So as you can see up the top here, this is a section and I can collapse that. And you can create a whole heap of them down the side here as a great way for organising slides when you've got a lot of slides. So often I'll have more than 100, sometimes 400 plus slides in a PowerPoint file. So this is a great way for me to be able to see everything but have them sectioned to just open one section at a time that I'm working on. So as you can see, I have my document here that I'm currently working on, the Ultimate Teacher Planner. And down here I have a section that is text fillable, but the following slides that I'll be about to add on will not be text fillable, and I've made them in another software. So I've already saved those as PNG files, and now what I'm going to do is insert them all. So I click up the top here at the Insert tab, and I've already loaded the add-on Digital Express, which is available on teacherspayteachers.com store. So if you want to search that up, Digital Express, and then I click on that one. Now I'm going to find where my files are. Just a moment. Okay, just here, and I'll click into that one, choose, and then they, like magic, have all inserted on their own with the click of a button, which is amazing. So this is a great way to save lots and lots of time. They're all there for me. A quick way to have a look at all of those without going through every single one is I can go view slide sorter, and then I can easily see them. I can make them small to very quickly look at lots of them, or I can hone in on just one like this. So I'll just go back to that view again, slide sorter. That's another little tip for you that I find really handy when I'm working with lots of slides. In this case I currently have 121, I'll have more than that soon as well. Okay, so as you can see, where the section ended was there at slide 22, and then from there on 23 onwards has all been added with the click of that button. So that's using the Digital Express add-on, and there's instructions when you buy that if you decide to go ahead with that. That's not on my store, but it's a great product. Another great product that I love to use is Flatpak, which secures the document. So here's the two sections I currently have, and I can collapse those so that I can only see the headings for the moment, or I can just easily click on it and they come back. So now what I want to do is to separate here 22 and 23, because 22 backwards is text fillable on PowerPoint, and from 23 onwards all of those files are PNG files and they're not text fillable just by clicking. So they're a little bit different, and they're designed to be printed out and handwritten on. So I want to keep those separate for my customers. So what I'm going to do is click in between these two slides and right click. Then I'll go down to add section, and I can name it whatever I like, and then that section will also be there. So let me think, I'll put might just get rid of that one. Printable slides, print and handwrite to fill. Okay. And I could have any number of these sections. I could section this up further as well if I wanted to. So I'll open all of those up. I can right click. I can remove a whole section of slides if I don't want them in that file after saving. I can remove all sections. I can move a section down like that. I'll just undo that because I don't want to do that. I can collapse all. And if I right click again, I can expand all. Or I can just close and open as I like. So as you can see, this can be a really handy feature when you're organising your PowerPoint slides and save so much time. So if I am in full view and I wanted to find a slide all the way down at slide 100, I'd have to keep going and going and going and going. Whereas if I just simply use my sections, it might be at the start of a section, or I can go to View, Slide Sorter and make them smaller, and very quickly I can click down to here and just find it. So here's another example where I've used this process of setting up sections for a much larger file with more than 100 slides in it and lots of different sections. So if you have a look here, if I was wanting to find a file, one way I could do it is just scrolling all the way through, or using the arrow keys and going one by one, which is okay when you've just got a few slides that you're using, but when you've got hundreds, it becomes really tedious and takes up a lot of your time. So something that I've found really useful is with the use of sections. So when I go like this and collapse all, you can see how many different sections I have there, and each of those has numerous slides within it. So if I know that I need something from, let's say, the Mother's Day file here, so instead of going through all of the slides when it's not collapsed like this into sections, I can just look for the particular section, and it only has one in it. There it is. I can just straight away click on it. Then if I want to find another one, collapse that one, go right down the bottom here, let's say behaviour management, I can click on that one and then it just shows those particular slides. So that's when you've got lots of different sections in place like I do here. Hope this helps. See you next time.